Welcome to my channel, How to Fix Slow Wi-Fi on Your Router, a simple guide for everyday users 2026. 1. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches. 2. Move the router to a better spot. Keep your router in an open, central location, not behind walls or inside a cupboard. 3. Check connected devices. Too many devices slow down Wi-Fi. Disconnect unused phones, TVs, or smart gadgets. 4. Update router firmware. Open your router settings and install the latest firmware update to boost performance. 5. Switch to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel. If neighbors use the same channel, your Wi-Fi becomes slow. Change the channel from router settings 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. 6. Use the 5 GHz band. If your router supports dual band, switch to 5 GHz for faster speeds and less interference. 7. Reset network settings on your device. On mobile, laptop, reset network settings to clear network bugs. 8. Keep your router cool. Overheating slows routers. Make sure it has airflow and isn't covered. 9. Check for service provider issues. Sometimes the issue is with your ISP. Test your speed or contact support. 10. Add a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system. If your home is large, use a Wi-Fi extender, booster, or mesh system for full home coverage. Thank you for watching.